And this magical pass has to do with seeing far. Okay? So when you fly high, you can see very far. Okay? So we begin. The first movement is sucking or breathing energy from the earth through our feet, up the legs, perineum, and to the navel center. 3 breaths, and we raise our wings, we are bird, 3 times. So with each breath, we go first a little bit, then more, and the third one, shoulder height. Okay? So we'll do this one. Find yourself very loosely and comfortably standing, no effort. And we begin 3 breaths with the wings. First one. Give the energy to the navel center. Second. Third, shoulder height. So this was the first movement. The second movement, we've done it before. We sink to the right foot and we raise our right arm and left leg. This way, like this. First we root and then we go 1. Okay? And then we go the other. Okay? I'll show it 45 degrees so maybe you can see it better. Go, you root. So 1, 2. Okay? So we do this 3 times each leg. Okay? Remember, first we root, only then we lift the other knee. So we begin with the right foot and right arm. This is 1. Second. And third. Okay. The next movement is, I'll just describe it first. We raise our wings through the chest and we open them. Okay? And then we turn all the way to the left. Once we cannot turn anymore, we move all the way back to the right. Okay? We don't stop. And then we move back to the center. Okay? So this is a movement. So we'll begin raising up our wings, spreading the wings, the zail, turning left. No rush.
You hungry?
And
Get the bones up there to the front.
we turn back to the right, and then back to the center. Okay, just a second. Okay, and once we arrive to this point, is the next movement. The next movement is we take something from our abdomen with half a step with the left foot. Maybe I'll stand 45 degrees. So it's like we're taking something and offering it forward 3 times, like this. Okay? And then we take a step with the right and the same thing with the right foot. Okay, so we'll begin taking a left, half a step with the left foot, and 3 times we offer it from our abdomen. 1, 2, and 3. And we continue every step with the right foot, and the same thing. 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So we do one more movement. We do one more movement this time, this session. I'll stand sideways or 45 degrees, I don't know. The next movement, once we are through here, we breathe. We breathe in with the palms forward and the head down, like this. Inhale. And we exhale with the palms facing the back and the head straight. So it's like 1 and 2. Okay? So we do it 3 times. Okay? Right foot forward, half a step forward, and we begin. 1, and exhale. 2, 3. So this movement pertains to the magical path of earth, bird, and sky.